In the late 19th century, most city tramways were still drawn by horses, so the tramcar itself ran along the street on tracks, but there was a horse out in front pulling it along. There was, however, an emerging new technology, the steam-powered horseless tram. William Derry, along with 4 other people, formed the Plymouth, Devonport and District Tramways Company to operate steam trams in those areas of southern England. They issued a prospectus, which is a document designed to encourage other people to invest in their new company. In that prospectus, they claimed to have the right to use steam power to draw their trams. That wasn't literally true because they still needed approval by the Board of Trade, but on their understanding there was no basis for the board to refuse approval. It was a mere formality. On the basis of the prospectus, Sir Henry Peake, a baronet, invested in the new company. You can guess what happened next. The Board of Trade refused permission and the company failed. Sir Henry lost his investment money. He sued the men who had issued the prospectus, claiming that they had fraudulently misrepresented the circumstances of the company. The court then had to consider exactly what is meant by fraudulent misrepresentation. The leading judgment was given by Lord Herschel, who summarised all the earlier authorities and concluded, fraud is proved when it is shown that a false representation has been made 1. Knowingly, or 2. Without belief in its truth, or 3. Recklessly, careless whether it be true or false. Although I have treated the second and third as distinct cases, I think the third is but an instance of the second, for one who makes a statement under such circumstances can have no real belief in the truth of what he states. To prevent a false statement being fraudulent, there must, I think, always be an honest belief in its truth. What this meant was that in this case there was no fraud. The promoters of the new company, when they issued the prospectus, had an honest belief that the approval of their application was a mere formality and that they effectively had the right to operate the steam trams. They were wrong, but they were wrong while being honest. Sir Henry Peake lost his money, but we gained the 3 rules for proving fraudulent misrepresentation in contract law.